got here a steering column from a 2003 to 2007 Range Rover. Let's take it apart. All you guys need to do, usually like this position of the vehicle, just to take it apart. You'd need to pull off these 8mm screws that go right here. Take off this bracket, then pull off this pin. Be easier to do with pliers. Pull them off on both sides. Make sure we start taking it off. Keep it according to the side. Pull one off there. Pull one off on the side. Just put your steering wheel back, tighten it, the 16mm, then just give it a pull. It should come out. It'll look like that on the end, and it'll look like that here. Don't have to worry about that falling because it's held in place by this here. So after that, to replace this, we would have to take off these two Allen wrenches here, pull the motor out, take off these two Allen wrenches here, and you can take this out with this whole bracket here, and it will come out. Put the new one back in, make sure these are in between on both sides, and that's about it. Put the screws back here, slide the motor back in, and put the screws back there. Should be good to go.